Hi, my dearmost subscribers and new viewers to my YouTube channel, Channel 27U. A very good and lovely Sunday afternoon to you all. Today we will be discussing on Chapter 4 of the tutorials on YouTube. We will be discussing about how we can edit the title, description, taglines, location and privacy on your already uploaded videos on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get on with it. First, let's click on YouTube. And click on my channel's logo appearing at the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on your channel and then click on videos on the upper part of the mobile screen. Here we get the list of all the video uploads that I have done so far in my YouTube channel. Let's take, for example, I want to edit my third video titled Volcano in Moon. Click on the three dots at the right side of the video. Click on Edit. The first part is description. Move the cursor over here. Make the necessary changes that you wish. After completing it, click on Privacy Public. Here you can change from public to unlisted or from unlisted to private. I wish to keep it private. I mean public. That's it. Let's move on to tags. You can make all the necessary changes that you wish. Move on to location. You can change the location, your nearby location, by changing it, or you can click on the plus sign. It's all the same. Let's go back. So it's done. Now simply click on the blue arrow on the upper right corner of the mobile screen like this. Video updated. So that's it, friends. It's really very simple, only once you know it. So my dear friends, I hope you like this video. I'll be coming up with more like it in the days to come. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified of all my future uploads. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.